Morning. So today is July 6th, I believe it is, and I'm heading up to the hunting lease. We're going to do some work around the lease, pretty much like we did the last time. I got some feeders to fill, some tree stand skirts to put up. I have cameras that I got to take care of. One of them I haven't heard from since July 15th, I think it was. Shows it has good battery, shows everything's going on good. I don't know what's going on. So last time I had batteries that were leaking in it, and I don't know if I got something going on there. One area I'm putting a ground blind out, and I gotta flatten it out so when you sit in there you're not on a teeter-totter. And that was fun last year and the year before, so I'm gonna work on that, just do all kinds of stuff. It was nice getting up. I was up at 3:11 this morning, a.m. Yeah, a.m. it is this morning. So I was up then and got my coffee, had a little something to eat. I was on the road before 5. I just stopped off at Rural King and got 7 bags of corn. I was there before the store opened. I only spent 20 minutes in the store. It's 7:32. It's saying I should arrive there with 8:47. So a little over an hour I'll be there and getting ready to work. So I'll drag you around with me today. Catch you in a little bit. Making drainage for me. All right, man. Who's here? Let's get some corn in here and cut out some of these trees.
So I'm gonna get started. I'm not gonna put you through all that. So anyway, see all those trees? I can't see when the deer are in there, so I'm gonna take my chainsaw and I'm gonna mow that down so I can see all the way out there. I might film some of it for you, but I'll catch you in a minute. Almost got it cleared. Chain came off. We'll fix it. I'll bring it back. Okay. If you see a tree stand, and I'm going to go and put my chair back up there. It was all rotted out, and I fixed it, reupholstered it, used an old ground blind to fix it up. So I'm gonna tie it off, pull it up there, put it back in place. So I'll take you along for that. Well, shoot, right in the sun that way. All right. Hopefully you won't fall. All right. Hopefully I won't fall. All right. Oh, yeah, I guess I'll overturn those bolts. Well, I think the hardest part's over. Just run these things down, be done. First one. Okay, now all I gotta do is change the skirt. I want to bring you up here with me. Seats tightened down. Oh, all right. I'm gonna put this, make it look nicer. Okay, here we are. All right, now, if you look, hang on a second here. If you look right, let's see, here, you go to the end of that. That's where they used to go and hide and watch me when I couldn't see them, but they could see me. Gives me a little bit better shot too. They come in, they don't have to be so close now. I mean, archery, yeah, but even at archery, that's a little bit better. Everything was in my way before. So anyway, I'm gonna change the skirt and get out. Okay, we're gonna go see what all this is about over here. These pink flags could be a hunter, another hunter, or it could be just the logging company getting ready to log. So anyway, let's see here. I shot a pig over here a couple of years ago from this distance. Had to drag it out through all this deadfall. It was not fun. If you look, that's where they've been rooting around in here. Haven't been here in a while, it looks like. Let's go see what we got. All this that I'm walking in this swamp here when it rains. It's really wet. Well, I see survey markers. My goodness. I hope they ain't tearing this up. That would suck. Yeah, I'm breathing heavy. All right. Well, JJD 3600. I don't know what that means. There's a little flag right there. JJD 3006. There's another one over there. That one looks like it's been there for a while. Maybe it's been here and I didn't notice it. This looks fresh. Anyway. So, this is what you see an animal would see. There's the feeder, like right in the center of the screen. That's why it's camouflage. So pay no, never mind. Don't worry about me. Don't worry what I am. Come get the yummy goodies. No danger. You can kind of see the tree stand, but now that I've put that extra that skirt, it's hard to see. This is kind of a game trail right here where they come in, so now I'll be able to see them. If they get out here and they're standing around, if they don't cut these trees down, I have them. And rifle season. Archery, not so much. But this is the game trail. They wore it down when I had corn in here. I haven't put corn in here since January because we had bears coming in here. So anyway, come up here. Ooh, I see corn. And as you can see, you can't see the hunter in the tree. So anyway, I'm gonna get out here, go get some lunch. All right, so I got to get some of this cleared out so I can put a ground blind for my wife. I know it's not as interesting as metal detecting, but hey, this is what we go through so we can hunt. You know, if I'm out here, it's 96 degrees easy, but you can't see the animals, you can't shoot them. I'm mowing the woods, the swamp, and weed eating the swamp. Better? Yeah. More to do though. I'll bring you back when I'm done. We weed whacked all in this area, got it lowered a little bit. I can't tell if I'm in frame or not. Looks like I am. Okay, so we getting ready to put up the hunting blind. I've already popped the top, so now I got to do the sides. I got it really low in here, so when we're sitting in here, the grass won't be up to us. This is our bow area. We have a place that's 65 yards that way. That's for rifle season. There we go. Boom. 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 Alright, that's the back. This is the front. It's actually pretty level in there. All right, a little bit more weed whacking. I got to get it staked out so the wind doesn't blow it all over the property. And then that part of this project will be done. About 30 yards. It's leveled with the tree stand. If I go any further back, we'll be in water. Nice high dry area, mostly, till we get a lot of rain. Then it'll still be wet, but that's what the environment is that we hunt in. See, I weed whacked this. I'm going to do a little bit more. I'll have to do it again before the season starts, so you won't be able to see the animals. So here, I'll give you an idea of what I did. Garden work. Neighbors, no garden work. So there's a tree stand, they're level. She's got a 35 yard shot. So nice. Wow, what a tiring day. So I got some footage for you over at the pig spot, and when you saw where we went and looked, and can't quite tell whether they're going to start foresting there or not. I hope not, because I like that spot. Trees seem awful small to do that, but we will see. Went back, had lunch, went out to one we call No Man's Land, and it's right close to the edge of the property, and put up a ground line and weed whacked and got that all cleared out of the way. Then filled up the feeder. It was empty. Explains a lot. And that camera at No Man's is the oldest one, and that was the one that had moisture in the lens, but I ended up leaving it and plugging in the solar charger to it, because you can't put one of the lithium batteries in there. So what I'm going to do is the one that had water intrusion out at the pig spot, I'm going to call and see if they'll warranty that one and get one, and then once I get that one, go out to No Man's and pull that one out and put the second new one. I'm hoping they'll send me in there. So anyway, we got No Man's Land all up and running, and went back, got corn, 2 bags of corn I had left for hubcap. I got out there, and I think the battery on the feeder is weak. It's still throwing corn, but it isn't slinging corn. It's kind of broadcasting it gently out. So I turned the solar panel on that towards the evening sun and cleaned it up. Hopefully that'll charge the battery. But I'm going to buy a new battery and solar charger, so the next time I go up, we'll see how it works. I was going to pull the stand seat out, but I ended up just putting up the skirt
make it dark up there, so you can see the stars and